ENGWE IPX6 waterproof folding electric bicycle, 3 riding modes, snow bike, 7-speed Shimano gear, suitable for snowy roads, beaches, and mountain roads. 48V750W, orange. High-quality materials and fast delivery. This folding electric bicycle uses light, strong aluminum and anti-corrosion and anti-exposure materials, which can provide you with many years of service. Our warehouse is in the United States, and it will usually be delivered in about 10 days. Due to the recent shortage of inventory, it will be delivered around the 25th. Powerful electric motor and replaceable battery equipped with a 48V750W brushless gear motor. It can easily drive at a speed of 24 mph 38 km/h, electric mode when fully charged. Using a 48V12.5A battery, the distance will be 28 miles. Dual disc brake and speed control system. This electric bicycle has a front and rear mechanical disc brake design, making control and safety at your fingertips. The professional Shimano 7-speed gearbox has excellent gradeability and can help you cope with various terrains. Pedelec hybrid bike with 4-shock, do whatever you want. Choose from 3 driving modes, full accelerator, pedal assist or pedal only. The front suspension allows you to drive smoothly with maximum traction on rough terrain. Cycle monitor and front and rear lights. The monitor displays the actual speed, driving distance, power level, battery voltage, etc., and night lights can provide greater safety. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.